Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best women's motorcycle helmets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Bell Qualifier. Riding can get monotonous, especially when you are doing miles over miles of dreary country roads. Some music helps break the monotony. This helmet comes with integrated speaker pads, so you can listen to something as you ride. Over time, the interior of the helmet is bound to get dirty because of sweat and dust. To combat this, the helmet's interior is removable, washable, and antibacterial. This lady's helmet features a click-release shield release system. The shields are resistant to fog, to scratches, and UV rays. Furthermore, this helmet comes with a padded collar which minimizes distracting wind and road noise. Highlighted features: lightweight polycarbonate/ABS composite shell, integrated speaker pockets, contoured cheek pads, removable antibacterial interior, padded wind collar. Number 2. Our second best pick is Vega Helmets Half Size. This helmet features a moisture wicking liner that takes care of your perspiration. The EPS liner is also fully vented, which increases cooling. It is engineered with a thick, high-density EPS liner that is able to absorb low-speed impact. This helmet also features a drop-down inner sun shield that helps you protect your eyes from sunlight, debris, and bugs. Please note that this helmet is suitable for low-speed use. We wouldn't recommend using it if you're going to do high speeds on a highway. If you're looking for an ultra-light helmet to wear while you ride a Vespa around town, this is the cheapest one you can buy. Highlighted features: optically correct drop-down sun shield, size adjustment dial system for custom fit, high-density, fully vented EPS liner, padded, quick-release strap system, 2.2 pounds. Number 3. Our third best pick is One Storm. The helmet's aerodynamic design helps minimize the force of wind resistance and improve stability. The helmet is made of reinforced ABS shell and multi-density EPS materials. These materials are able to provide you with solid protection from impact since they meet the U.S. Department of Transportation standards. Being a full-face helmet, there is a risk of the air inside the helmet becoming hot and stuffy. The solution the helmet provides is a ventilation system that features 3 front and 2 top adjustable vent switches. These vent switches give you the ability to adjust your intake of air as well as exhaust. Cleaning the helmet is of paramount importance in matters of hygiene. To help keep the helmet clean, the liner and pads are readily removable and washable. Highlighted features: aerodynamic design reduces the force of wind resistance. Construction: enforced ABS shell and multi-density EPS materials. 3 front and 2 top adjustable vent switches. Removable and washable liner and pads. Quick easily buckle. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ILM Half Helmet. This ILM helmet is made of ABS shell and high-density EPS foam. It has been tested and meets the DOT safety standards. It is a half helmet, which means it doesn't cover the entire face. It is lightweight, weighing only 2.7 pounds, so neck fatigue is unlikely. Comfort is a matter of great importance when it comes to women's motorcycle helmets. This one ensures comfort for your ears with its comfortable and skin-friendly ear flaps. The ear flaps do not squeeze around the face when you adjust the helmet's tightness using chin straps. It features a tinted, drop-down sun visor that you can easily remove and replace. You can buy the clear visor separately. Highlighted features: quick release chin strap, removable and replaceable tinted drop-down sun visor, ABS shell and high-density EPS foam. Weighs 2.7 pounds. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is YEMA YM627. Riding in the sun will get you hot and stuffy, especially on long stretches of road. To keep you cool and comfortable, this helmet has a ventilation system. This system has fully adjustable intake and exhaust vents. As a result, you get a constant flow of air while riding, and that ensures you stay cool. The fact that the vents are fully adjustable means you have control over how much air is coming in or going out. The clear visor is easy to use and can easily remove it without having to use any tools. The liners and pads are removable. Sweat and dust can grime up the interior of the pad, creating a hotbed for germs and bacteria to flourish. Washing the liner and pad is the hygienic and healthy thing to do. The 3/4 open face design shell has a wide visibility field that ensures you don't feel claustrophobic. Highlighted features: fully adjustable, flow-through ventilation, fully removable and washable inner lining pads, aerodynamic ABS shell and multi-density EPS, reinforced chin strap, quick release buckle. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.